Hey, and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. I'm starting the second part of a series that covers natural healthcare products because I'm up here in Canada and I'm talking about the Canadian Product Guide. I'm in Mission, British Columbia, Canada, and Health Canada has approved a ton of Young Living's pure Therapeutic Grade Essential Oils as natural healthcare products. So I'm here to just bring those to your attention and tell you what ones can be used to help you with certain things. So this week we're going to be going over cough and cold and also digestive health. Okay. Of course, if you need to get some of these oils, please see the person who sent you here. And if you don't have an oil person, I can definitely be your oil person. Also, I can send you, email you a copy of the Canadian catalog so you can see the natural healthcare products. They're all in the middle and they're laid out to a ton of oils, more than what I mentioned in these videos, that you can use for different ailments. Of course, our original ailments, just to cover those real quick, are acne, burns, cuts, and bruises, cough and cold, digestive health, eczema and dermatitis, general health matters, headaches, joint and muscle pain, and stress and relaxation. Not a bad lot of subjects we can cover and talk directly to with Young Living's essential oils. Okay? All right, so first off, cough and cold. We're gonna just start having a bath. You know when you just feel, in fact, mine's starting to come on. I've got my thieves going now. It's gonna be great. You can have a nice hot bath, right? And you can add 2 to 8 drops of any of the following oils to some like liquid soap or shampoo and have yourself a nice warm bath getting these oils with you. You can choose from like lemon, tea tree, geranium, lavender, or thyme. Any of those. Put them in your bath with some soap or shampoo and enjoy. Breathe that in as you're sitting there relaxing, feeling the warmth of the water around you. It's actually pretty cool. Diffuse definitely 3 drops of peppermint or eucalyptus, and we're talking about eucalyptus globulus. Really good to breathe in, or 3 drops of rosemary and 1 drop of lemon in your diffuser. It's really helpful, and you don't notice that it's really helping. You just notice you're not getting sicker, and then all of a sudden you feel better. So yeah, I find it pretty cool in this house. All right, you could also do a steam shower. One of my favorite things to do, because personally, I'm not really a bath person. I'm tall, and most baths, you have to sit either all the way out with your top half of your body and your legs in, or you're squished down, your knees are out. I'm a shower person. So I'll put a couple of drops on the floor of my shower and let it steam up. You can close your drain. I have a bath shower, so I just put it on the side of the bath, a couple of drops, and just let it steam up. These oils are amazing. Like just 3 drops. I use eucalyptus globulus every day, and it's amazing. And then you can choose, like say palmarosa or sage or bergamot in your shower, and just diffuse those. A couple of drops. Again, if you put it on the base of your shower, you want to plug the hole, or put it alongside if you have a little arm that's not going to get affected by the oils, and just let the oil steam up. My gosh, it's so wonderful. I also use a lot of thieves for colds, also deemed by Health Canada as Yahoo, will help you get past your cold. I put it on my throat and on my chest. You can use a little bit of carrier oil and make like a nice little rub for yourself. Use coconut oil, something that's not as scented, the V6 oil from Young Living, that kind of thing, and it just feels so good. It brings me back alive. All right, I'm gonna move on to digestive health. Very big in my world. This is how I even started looking into essential oils and what they could do, thanks to Janelle Reinhardt. She is an incredible woman, and without her, I wouldn't have found these or got relief from digestive issues, so yay. Okay, so we're gonna put a few oils just on your tissue and close to the nose so you can inhale it. It's super easy. So like take 1 to 3 drops of like basil and peppermint and put them in the center of a Kleenex, and you can breathe that in, just carry it around or have it with you, or even better, put it in your pillowcase. Just lay it flat and you can lay on it and just inhale as you're sleeping those oils. What a great thing to do. It just gets in, your body starts going, huh, all right, everyone in my stomach needs to get to work. Let's get this, let's clean it out. Let's make ourselves feel better. It's kind of good for nausea relief, those oils. So again, basil, peppermint, very good for nausea. You can make a compress if you're feeling bloated or uncomfortable, especially with all the Halloween stuff coming up, or that just happened, and Christmas is coming, Thanksgiving. You just could feel bloated and uncomfortable. So you could do 2 cups of warm water and put in 2 drops each of lavender and orange. Soak a cloth in that, wring it out, and apply to your abdomen. It feels so good, you know. You could also rub peppermint and marjoram. Take about 1 to 2 drops and use a teaspoon of carrier oil, V6, coconut, jojoba, and just go in a counterclockwise motion with your hand on your abdomen with those oils and the carrier oil. And that helps to relieve, you know, your uncomfortable stomach. And again, foot massage. I've talked about feet in the past. I'm going to go into that more and more in the future, but feet play a big role in how our body functions, right? In receiving healing for our body. So you can take 1 to 3 drops of nutmeg, spearmint, and citronella to help reduce discomfort and take your mind off any kind of stomach pain, and just rub that right into your foot, the bottom of your foot. Like, give yourself a foot massage or have someone do it for you, even better, right? And that's how we can take care of our digestive issues. Now, I'm going to keep going and bringing in slight bits of information on each one of these subjects over the next series. And again, I showed this last time. This is the my essential oil first aid kit. It's put out by Young Living Canada, and it has 2 to 3 oils of each thing I just mentioned: your acne, burns, cuts, cold, digestive, etc. So they're all kind of labeled here, and then they're oil. And we have a spray bottle, a tincture bottle, the hand sanitizer, couldn't be anywhere without that. You get a few band-aids up in here, and some little capsule boxes for you. So this kit is pretty cool. It literally is my first aid kit. I don't need anything else. Some gauze, maybe, but that's about it. And that's what I have. So again, this is in Canada, Health Canada approved, yay. Remember to talk to the person who sent you here about oils, and if you don't have an oil person, I'm happy to be your oil lady. And of course, if you like what I'm doing, hit that like button and smash that bell. It just lets you know when another video is coming, usually on Wednesdays, Wellness Wednesday, and subscribe. All right, love to see you again. Like to know you're here. Subscribing is a great way for all that to happen. Also, share your tips and tricks down in the information or description below. And my information will be in the description below as well. All right, until next time, stay safe and happy oiling.